Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Paracord guide is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone who loves the outdoors or enjoys crafting. This amazing cord, originally designed for military parachutes, is incredibly strong, flexible, and can be used in countless ways. From survival situations to everyday projects, Paracord is a must-have item that offers endless possibilities. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Paracord, exploring its uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Tough Grid 550 Paracord Rope. This Tough Grid Paracord is incredibly reliable. It has a certified strength of 550 pounds, making it perfect for your survival kit and tactical gear. Enhance your camping experience with this heavy-duty rope. Whether you're securing tents or in need of emergency supplies, it offers unmatched strength to tackle any outdoor challenge. Trust this Paracord in critical survival situations. Made in the USA, it's engineered to endure extreme conditions. It's the toughest cord available for your survival kit. This durable Paracord isn't just for survival. It's perfect for crafting unique items like bracelets and lanyards. It's a must-have for DIY projects and outdoor enthusiasts. Always be prepared with this military-grade rope in your emergency supplies. Its rugged design makes it perfect for survival kits and tactical use. It's a reliable, versatile tool for adventurers. What we like. This Paracord boasts military-grade strength, perfect for demanding situations. Made in the USA, it ensures reliability when you need it most. If you're looking for a dependable cord for survival, outdoor adventures, or crafting, this is the one for you. What people say. This cord has been strong enough to hold and support them even during hail and high winds. The texture of the cord was perfect. True mil-spec 550 Paracord with one indicator inside. I am so happy about its quality. Number 4. TECEUM Paracord Rope 1000 Tactical Parachute Cord. This is the TECEUM Paracord Rope, a versatile and durable nylon string. It comes in various lengths and over 45 colors. You can use it for survival and camping gear. This Paracord Type 4, with a 750-pound strength, has a nylon core and comes in apricot. It's made to military specifications and available in 40 colors. You can find it in various lengths, and there's a QR code for an ebook. The Paracord Type 4 is incredibly strong, with a 750 pounds minimum strength. It features a 32-strand sheath and 11 core yarns. The thickness is 532 inches, and it's manufactured to mil-spec standards. This Paracord is made with top-quality materials, making it durable and resistant to weather. Whether it's sun, rain, or snow, it's built to last. It's also resistant to UV sunlight, abrasion, and dries quickly. The versatility and strength of this rope make it a multifunctional tool. Use it for setting up tents, securing heavy items, or as a clothesline. It's also great for crafting and DIY projects. This is a must-have for camping, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves sports, the outdoors, and DIY projects. It's essential travel gear and equipment. What we like. With a robust 750-pound strength, this Paracord is built to handle tough tasks. Available in over 40 colors, it offers plenty of choices. If you need a strong, durable, and colorful cord for camping, hiking, or DIY projects, it's a great choice. What people say. The Paracord is strong and durable. It's a great product for various outdoor activities. The quality of the Paracord is excellent. Number 3. WEREWOLVES 650 pounds Paracord Rope. This is the WEREWOLVES 650 pounds Paracord Rope. It's a dependable and tough rope that's built to last. You can rely on it for various needs. The rope has a 650-pound tensile strength. It features a 9-strand inner core, each made of twisted yarn. This ensures it's strong and durable. The Paracord comes in 100 and 200-foot spools with a reusable spool. It offers an extra 100 pounds breaking strength compared to other ropes at the same price. This makes it a great value. The rope has a smooth texture that prevents fraying. It's perfect for making bracelets, lanyards, and other crafts. You can even combine colors to create unique patterns. This paracord is great for home, outdoor activities, and emergency kits. You can keep it in your home, use it for repairs, or take it on your adventures. It's a versatile tool. WEREWOLVES stands behind the quality of their products. They are proud of the craftsmanship and confident that you will love it. What we like. This paracord offers an impressive 650 pounds tensile strength thanks to its 9-strand core. The included reusable spool makes it easy to manage and store. If you are looking for extra strength and convenience for your outdoor or crafting needs, this is an excellent option. What people say. Great quality paracord. Durable, flexible, and easy to work with. Perfect for bracelets, camping, or emergency use. Exactly what I needed. The paracord is sun-resistant, rot-resistant, and easy to tie, no slipper and reasonably easy to untie. Very nice quality. Clear color and tone. Strong. Number 2. Amazon Basics 550 Paracord, 532" x 100 foot, black. This versatile rope is perfect for a wide range of activities. It's great for hiking, camping, and various survival tasks. You can also use it for DIY crafts. The rope is made with durable nylon. It features a UV-resistant braided jacket and a 7-strand core for added strength. This construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. This rope is reliable in both wet and dry conditions. It offers natural resistance to oils, acids, and abrasions. You can depend on it when you need it most. The rope is designed to be non-reflective. It will sink in water, making it suitable for specific applications. This feature adds to its utility in various situations. It measures 100 feet long with a 532-inch diameter. The product is also backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. This provides peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This paracord is incredibly versatile, ideal for hiking, camping, and survival tasks. Constructed with durable, UV-resistant nylon, it is built to last. If you need a reliable cord for various outdoor activities and crafts, it's a solid choice. What people say. The 7-strand core provides impressive strength and durability, making it ideal for camping, survival gear, or general utility tasks. It's easy to cut, tie, and work with, and the material holds up well even after extended outdoor exposure. This stuff is strong with a good grip to easily tighten without using too much muscle. Number 1. MONOBIN 36-color paracord combo kit. Introducing the MONOBIN paracord combo kit. This kit is packed with 36 vibrant colors of paracord, perfect for all your crafting needs. It includes everything you need to get started on exciting projects. Don't worry if you're new to paracord crafting. The kit comes with detailed weaving instructions to guide you through various projects. It's designed to help you learn quickly and easily. The kit features high-quality Type 3 550 pounds paracord rope, known for its strength and durability. The accessories are also made from premium materials, ensuring they last. This makes it ideal for both indoor crafts and outdoor use. Use this kit to create a wide range of items. You can make bracelets, lanyards, dog collars, and more. It's a fantastic way to cultivate your hands-on skills and create unique gifts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this kit is perfect for you. It's also a great gift for men, women, and kids. If you have any questions or need help, we're here to assist you. What we like. This kit comes with 36 color options and includes accessories, making it perfect for crafting. It also includes instructions to help you get started. If you enjoy crafting paracord projects or want to cultivate kids' hands-on ability, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. It comes with tons of color options, and the cords were strong enough for the projects we tried. The carabiners are easy to use and clip on smoothly. Everything, there's so much to unpack, feels sturdy and high quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.